Open your own business and become a distributor of FORTADOR steam cleaning machines. Join our team. We are looking just for you. Don't waste water. Use steam wash. High water consumption is one of the biggest issues of our time. The world is changing, so be the change. Our steam cleaners use only 3 liters of water instead of 250 liters like an ordinary car wash does. All our devices have the necessary certificates and meet eco requirements. We offer you the complete distributor set, professional training, and territorial exclusivity to start with. Join FORTADOR now. Book your appointment at info@fortador.com. More details at fortador.com.